Hi all, I'm playing around with a washing machine, so I'm not very good at doing these. So I'm digging it out, and there's some gold in there, I think. Gold necklace. Might be copper, but might be gold. So, something there, see, look. There it is, gold necklace. It's stuck right down in that pipe. There it is, only a little one. So, there we go. Oh yeah. Could be. I just got to be careful because there's a really big chunk of rusty wire. That's silver, I think. Don't know. Look. Could be a silver chain. Yeah, I think it's silver. And there's a diamond thing there. Look. Could be real. Could be fake. I want to get that out, but it doesn't want to come out. Might be more down there because that's really chocolate. That's stuck in there, so I've got to get that off there to get it out. And it's coming. Oh, that's there. I wonder what's at the other end of it. Okay, that's a silver chain, I think. So if that's blocked there, I wonder what's down further. There's a rusty nail or something in it. Okay, I got that out. Ooh, there's more money. Alrighty. Alright, so that's chocolate. Wonder if I can get that off. Because imagine what's in there. So there's money there. What's in here? So, it's good. I don't know if I got me. I'll put the camera down. So I'm searching in there. What have you got? No, I need a spanner. I don't know if I've got one. I don't. Why don't you find me little scissors? Oh yeah, boo. Your mate's got one. Cut myself already. Some money. And 10 cents, but there's a $1 or $2 in there. See, you never check these things. Sorry, I'm all over the place. With my stupid camera. This is going to take a while to get off. Not much room. A pair of pliers would be easier. I don't really check these, but the last couple I've checked have found things in it. Yeah, it's coming off slowly. Oh shit, just lost me 10 cents. Yeah, actually there's money and there was a necklace. So that was blocked as hell there. That was blocked. So whatever's in here is in here. So might take a while to do. That'll make life easier. Maybe. I don't know. This is stiff. There we go. It's in there because I've seen it wobble. Just got to hold that up because we have to pop out. Bend around, you fucking dick. Ready? Nearly. Yeah, it's stuck in there. And there's one here. This one's stuck down there. Ready? It's going to fall in your hand. Put your hand there. Go. 20! Anything else in there? Right. So I found a necklace and 20
and 10.
I don't know where that went. I dropped it. Oh, I lost it. It's down here, I think. Or did you take it?
No, I didn't. I put it on top here. I just put it there.
And $1! There you go. $1.20, and I dropped it on the floor. Oh, here it is. Yeah. $1.30. I'm rich.
And a bit of change.
I wonder what the dates on it. Can't read. I haven't got my glasses. And one necklace. And a fake diamond. Could be real. You never know. There you go. Found $1.30. Some sticky on magnet, I think it is. A necklace with a rose on it. Yeah. There you go. You see you can't find things in washing machines. There's anything further down here. No, that's a wood coil. There you go. That was a good find. Alright.